mountain ranges running east to west, extending east to west. So there are several geographers are there, but if I say that it has not been completely accepted because everyone has given their own kind of what technical concepts, and this technical concept has not been accepted. But only it's a formation that somewhere it is in a long, narrow, shallow, and what did I say that oceanic coastal mobile zone. ये सभी लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं. Everyone is accepting, even the plate tectonic theory, even the isostasy, because of their isostatic balance during the what is the lithogenesis, creation of what I said that deposition, sedimentation, and then finally I said that converting into lithogenesis. These are what is an acceptable. कि वो डिपोजिट हो रहा है सेडिमेंट along the coast, उसके बाद वो दबते जा रहा है, and during the subsidence they keep on going down and slowly it become rock बनते जा रहा है, lithogenesis. तो ये it has been accepted, but it has not been accepted the other things because every concept has some lacunas, and somewhere it is exaggerated, like the Kober. We studied the Kober, but the way that it has been mentioned कि yes, earth contract हो रहा है by the cooling, and then therefore contraction has provided was some kind of what landmass movement, and then formation of geosyncline. Arthur Holmes talked about that the magmatic migration and magmatic activity help in the formation of what geosyncline. So everyone has given their own. One of the geographer comes, he said that in the paleogeographic map if you'll see, and then morphometric presentation if you'll see, that the continent is larger than the ocean. Land mass of continent, but we know that at present the ocean is how much? 71%, and continent is how much? 29%. So some of the geographer has given this kind of map also. So this way several things came and it has not been accepted, but its geosyncline concept has been accepted by everyone. And the geographers, if I say that one geographer, and तो हम लोग geosyncline के concept को accept करते हैं, but the way that they have said this mountain has been formed like this, only it is explained by whom? Plate tectonic theory. Yes, geosyncline था, compression force happened, and that led to the formation of mountains. So one person, they are the geographers, like I said that, who has contributed in the geosyncline. These geographers are you have to remember so that you can produce one Mr. Steele. Mr. Steele has given something, और स्टील के कंसेप्ट को आज भी हम लोग हिमालयन फॉर्मेशन में यूज करते हैं. I said steel Suchat is there. Evans, Hogg, Arthur Holmes, Duster, and Kober. Question can be, that this the geosynclinal concept given by this all person will not be, generally students do not give the importance to it, but the examiner, when they can ask, like I said, that discuss the geosynclinal concept given by H. Steele, given by, I said that Suchard, given by Evans, and how it is not able to become relevant with respect to प्लेट टेक्टोनिक थ्योरी. तो उस समय यदि आपको ये नहीं आता रहेगा, then you will not be able to answer it. Only you are knowing plate tectonic, but you are not knowing, yes, this concept. Then it will be a fall down for you. So to be what is good to present, you should know about it. Who has given what to some extent in 50, 60 words, so that you can explain it at times, because they are not going to ask what the Steele has given, what the Suchard has given, what the Evans has given, and the other geographers has given, but they can ask in correlation with the in I said that relation with the plate tectonic concepts. Understood? So the first one, if I am talking about, I said that Steele has given that two types of concept, that it is in a, for geosyncline, one it is in a geosyncline, zone of, I said, the deposition of sediment by the rivers, and here it has been said, like I said, that volcanic zone, active volcano. Understood? So this geosyncline region has been said as what? Active volcano, and it is considered an geosyncline on the basis of which one I said that ocean convergence and near to the coast. But यहाँ पे इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिखाया जा रहा है कि डीप ट्रेंचेस आर देयर, और इसमें ट्रेंच यहाँ पर है, ध्यान रखिएगा, इसमें भी ट्रेंच है, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइड. So here we have been able to see, like I said, that this is not there, but it is on the western Pacific, near to the, what I said, that Kuril mountain, then Japan, then Philippines. Along this, in the interior of this region is having a what? Geosyncline with active volcano. So it is looking correct and good. And thereafter this zone, आपको ही पता है कि it is an what? Divergent boundary, and in this region when it is an Appalachian mountain system and all, when the rivers are coming and depositing the sediments, along this coastal region, there will be no, I said, volcanic. There is no convergence. ये तो आपको पता ही है कि this plate is keep on what? आपको perhaps you remember that this plate was like this, and over the period यहाँ पे crack हुआ, and this crack led to the what is it? And due to divergence यहाँ पर ऐसे हो रहा है, and then you can be able to see like that there will be no, यहाँ पे कोई volcano नहीं है, only the divergent boundary. So this is in a what? Inactive zone. So along this is in a divergent boundary, mid-oceanic region, and you can be able to see this side, the Atlantic coastal zones are what is in a mu geosyncline has been said by Mr. Steele. Volcanic eruptions, not volcanic mountain, these are the volcanic mountains, Japan and all. But here it is, I said, the deposition of sediment. Here is the deposition of sediments, and then volcanic eruption can take place in this region. Getting my point? So this region can have he has said only this word, not more than that. He said that a geosyncline region which is active with volcano. An example that he has given. Which example? Western part of Pacific. This western part of Pacific. This is in a Pacific, और ये इस side है. Eastern part, the eastern part Pacific he did not talk about. क्योंकि इसने बोला कि ये deeper है, therefore it will not be there. It is in a shallow. Understood it? One we can say, like I said, that if you will consider that when the formation of, I said that this is an Indian Gondwana plate, it is moving, and this is an Eurasian plate, जो पहले भी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि this Indian Gondwana plate which is earlier कहाँ पे था, this Indian Gondwana plate is moving northward and the Tethys Sea was in between. So when it is I said that next example, if you will see geosyncline, this is I said Indian Gondwana plate, and this is in a Tethys, and it is subducting below, and here we have, I said that Eurasian plate, and it is what I said that Indian Gondwana plate, and this is a Tethys oceanic plate, and this Tethys oceanic plate when it is moving northward, so it is in a subducting below. The one deposition of sediment कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Done by the river in this zone. Yes. And one deposition done by the, I said that, in this zone by the rivers. So near to the Indian Gondwana plate there will be volcano, or near to the Eurasian plate there will be volcano. Huh? Eurasian जहाँ पे subduction होगा, when the oceanic plate is subducting, friction and all change.